Hi, in today's video I'm going to tell you why so many people are moving into the NEXTON community in Summerville. But before I do that, why don't you go ahead and click like and subscribe. NEXTON is located in Summerville, South Carolina and is known for its low country charm, and it's just minutes away from the all-new Volvo plant and less than a 30-minute drive from historic downtown Charleston. NEXTON was just recently named the 2021 Master Plan Community Development of the Year by the National Association of Home Builders. Homes in this community will range between $300,000 and $800,000. Midtown NEXTON is the newest village. It boasts of low country inspired homes and designs, all in a community where you can live a happy, healthy, and wholesome life. Coming soon to the Midtown Village is a Midtown Club. This club will include tennis courts, a swimming pool, and a yoga studio. In addition to Midtown, there are already developed communities such as Brighton Park, North Creek Village, and a Del Webb community for those wishing to live in a 55 and older neighborhood. In the NEXTON community, there are restaurants galore. Here you will find everything from fast food to fine dining. There's a Bad Daddy's Burgers, a Hall's Chop House, Vicious Biscuit, the Codfather, Taco Boy, Poogan's Southern Kitchen, Carolina Ale House, and so much more. One of the things I'm most excited about coming soon to the NEXTON community is a pickleball court. That's pickleball combined with a restaurant and a bar, all in a family-friendly type atmosphere. There are so many things to do in the NEXTON community. We've barely just begun to scratch the surface. If you are interested in this community, I would love an opportunity to talk with you. Please give me a call at 843-209-2801. Hey, thanks for watching. Why don't you check out my other videos for all things real estate? And before you leave, don't forget to click like and subscribe.